Thank you very much, Tapas, for your kind introduction. At first, I would like to thank all the participants for coming this program. SSR program funded by ACRB, Government of India. So it will be an interactive session. Today, title of my presentation is Contributions of Indian Scientists Towards Nurturing of Science and Technology. So can you recognize this institute? Anyone? ISCS. Very good. ISCS? IISc Bangalore. Very good. Thank you. And can you recognize him? And can you recognize this letter? Original letter? So if you go to the IISc Bangalore website, you will find this letter. So Jamsetji Tata and Swami Vivekananda were traveling from Yokohama to Vancouver through a ship. And Jamsetji Tata realized that there was a monk. And he came and interacted with Swami Vivekananda. They have discussed various aspects for the development of India. Right? And Swami Vivekananda mentioned him that we need good research institute of science. It was 1893. So after 5 years, Jamsetji Tata wrote a letter to Swami Vivekananda and mentioned him to take the responsibility of IISc Bangalore. However, at that time, Swami Vivekananda was busy for the development of Ramakrishna Mission and he didn't take the responsibility. However, he has arranged several meetings with Sister Nivedita. Together, they have formulated IISc Bangalore. So, Swami Vivekananda's vision of Indian education and science is really important. So, Subhash Chandra Bosu বলছেন বিবেকানন্দর কথা বলতে গেলে হারিয়ে ফেলি নিজেকে কে বুঝবে তাকে কে বুঝেছে তাকে অসম্ভব সুগভীর তিনি জটিল হৃদয়ময় ত্যাগে বেহিসেবী কর্মে বিরামহীন প্রেমে সীমাহীন জ্ঞানে সমুদ্র গভীর সমালোচনায় অগ্নিবর্ষী আর সারল্যে শিশু একেবারে শিশু এই জগতে তার তুল্য নেই কেউ নয় আমি কে যে বলবে তার কথা Can you recognize him? Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose, right? When Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose returned from University of Cambridge with the recommendation letter of Lord Rayleigh, a Nobel laureate in physics, to get a faculty position in India. It was 1888. However, at the time it was British Raj, right? And British people mentioned that Indians can't think in a rational manner. So he should not teach physics. However, he has offered a temporary position and salary almost 1/3 of British people. So he has challenged the hegemony of British people and started Satyagraha. He has mentioned that I will teach physics in Presidency College. However, I will not take a penny for that. And he didn't take a penny almost for 3 years. Right? So first Satyagraha in science was led by Jagadish Chandra Bose against British Raj. Right? So in 1917, কি হয়েছিল 1917 বসু বিজ্ঞান মন্দির রাইট উনি মনে করতেন শিক্ষাঙ্গন মন্দিরের মতোই পবিত্র হওয়া উচিত স্যার নেভেলি মর mentioned that he was a Nobel laureate mentioned that Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose was 60 years ahead of his time. So this is the most important part. So this is the important instrument. Can you recognize this one? Bose 60 gigahertz microwave apparatus. Radio, right? Telephone. Test of that. Root growth detector. If you go to the Bose Institute, you can see these instruments. These are still there. কে তৈরি করেছিল এগুলো সেই সময় উনি নিজে with the help of Indian people, right? গরিব দোকানে গিয়ে বসে থাকতেন দেখতে সূক্ষ্ম সূক্ষ্ম কাজ কিভাবে করে তারা ঠিক আছে এগুলো ইন্সপিরেশন ঠিক আছে So see He has designed and developed these instruments. Einstein was so impressed with Bose's lecture at Geneva University. He has mentioned, if only for a single one of his many discoveries, Bose should have a statue erected to his memory. And this is the stamp published by Government of India. And statue of Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose at Christ College, University of Cambridge. And he is demonstrating the telephone, right? So in the year of 1897, January, and Marconi did the experiment on May 1897. And this is the rare image of Bose with Rabindranath Tagore. উনি একটা চিঠিতে লিখছেন, letter to Rabindranath by Bose, you will not know what difficulties I have to face. You can't imagine the publication of my article on plant response, which I wrote in last May in the Royal Society, was stopped by the conspiracy of Waller and Sanderson. But my discoveries have been published by Waller in his own name in a journal last November. All these days I did not know about it. I am depressed. I wish to return now and regain the spirit of the life by touching the dust of Bharat. Sister Nivedita helped him a lot for writing manuscript, right? উনি খুব হেল্প করেছিলেন সিস্টার নিবেদিতা, ওনাকে ম্যানুস্ক্রিপ্ট লিখতে আর সহযোগিতা করেছিলেন। And this is the বসু বিজ্ঞান মন্দির and আচার্য ভবন, জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু থাকতেন এখানে। Bose wrote নিরুদ্দেশের কাহিনী, a small story. Later it was expanded and included into Abbakto with a new name, Palatak Tufan. This is one of the first science fiction in Bengali language. And this is the nature paper. He also worked on photosynthesis, right? This is a nature paper regarding photosynthesis, and this is a book, Physiology of Photosynthesis by Bose. Can you recognize? Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray, right? When Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray, so you know Acharya Prafulla Chandra, he is the father of Indian chemist and founder president of Indian Chemical Society, right? He wrote two books, A History of Hindu Chemistry. The first volume was published in 1902 and the second volume was published in 1909, right? So he did his graduation from University of Edinburgh. At that time, he interacted with Professor Alexander Graham Brown and became a true lover of chemistry. At the time, he wrote an essay, India Before and After Mutiny, and it was against the British Raj. Although he did his PhD from abroad, however, he didn't get a faculty position. Almost 1 year he worked with Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose, right? In 1889, he has started his independent career as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, Presidency College. At that time it was Presidency College, right? Then he moved to Rajabazar Science College in 1960, right? As a first Palit professor in the Department of Chemistry. So when কখন বলতো টাটা স্টিল জামশেদপুরে এস্টাবলিশ হয়েছিল? জামশেদপুরে এস্টাবলিশ হয়েছিল টাটা স্টিল 1907, right? When Tata Steel was established at Jamshedpur, right, sulfuric acid was required as a raw material, and he has mentioned that he will provide the sulfuric acid. 1907 সালে টাটাতে কে ছিলেন? Dorabji Tata, because Jamshedji Tata died on 1904, right? So he was the founder of first Swadeshi pharmaceutical industry in India. Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceuticals, right? To India bolecho তাই তাও ঠিক আছে, Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceuticals, very good. So 1901 সাল কেমিস্ট্রির জন্য একটা বিখ্যাত, কে বলতে পারে বলে দেখি? 1901 সাল কেমিস্ট্রির জন্য বিখ্যাত আরেকটা কারণ, ফার্স্ট নোবেল প্রাইজ in chemistry 1901 সালে। কে পেয়েছিল কেমিস্ট্রি ফার্স্ট নোবেল প্রাইজ? কে পেয়েছিল? তাকাচ্ছে কিন্তু যেতে পারছে না। হ্যাঁ, ভ্যান টপ, তাই তো? তাহলে কেমিস্ট্রিতে ফার্স্ট নোবেল প্রাইজ কিন্তু ভ্যান টপ, ঠিক আছে? In 1923 কি হয়েছিল 1923 তে? নর্থ বেঙ্গল ফ্ল্যাগ, ভেরি গুড, নর্থ বেঙ্গল ফ্ল্যাগ। In 1923 নর্থ বেঙ্গল ফ্ল্যাগ he has arranged Bengal Relief Committee. So at that time they have collected 25 lakh, right, and they have distributed. উনি ওরা ল্যাব খুলে দিতেন তাদের জন্য, বিপ্লবীদের জন্য। উনি বলেছিলেন সায়েন্স ক্যান ওয়েট বাট স্বরাজ কান্ট, ঠিক আছে? ন্যাশনালিজম অফ সায়েন্স স্টার্টেড। মহাত্মা গান্ধী বলছেন it is difficult to believe that the man in simple Indian dress wearing, simple manners could possibly be the great scientist and professor. গান্ধীজি বলেছেন ওনার সম্বন্ধে। রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর বলছেন সুধায় মা কবে কোন গান কাহারে করিয়াছি দান, পথের ধুলার পরে পড়ে আছি তারি করে, যে তাহারে দিতে পারে মা। তুমি কি শুনেছো মোর বাণী, হৃদয়ে নিয়েছো তারে টানি, জানি না তোমার নাম, তোমার এই সপিলাম আমার ধ্যানের ধনখানি। কার সম্বন্ধে বলছেন? আচার্য। So this is the Presidency College. This is Rajabazar Science College. He moved from Presidency to Rajabazar Science College. Can you recognize this one? This is a little bit hazy. বলো দরকার নেই, বলো দেখি। Indian Chemical Society, right? And this is the journal Indian Chemical Society office at Rajabazar Science College. And this is the journal Indian Chemical Society. And this is a Bengal Chemical and Pharmacy. This is a rare photo of Nike. Gari achen? Populo Chandra Rai with Gandhi. And this is some products of Bengal Chemical. OD choline and magnesia cream. It was really, at that time, it was really popular, right? So, this is a book, Life and Experiences of a Bengali Chemist. It was also published in Nature. How many Nature papers Acharya Populo Chandra Rai published? No? Anyone? Huh? No. Anyone guess? 10. Very close? 7, very close. 8, actually 7 এখান থেকে প্রথমে এসেছিল, যেহেতু আমি দিচ্ছি এখানে। কে বলেছিল 7? 8 nature paper he has published, right? So this is the museum. If you go to the Rajabazar Science College, you can see this museum, right? And you know partition of Bengal in 1905, right? So greatly known as partition of Bengal, bill passed by Lord Curzon. Ray was vocal against partition. Kobi Guru Ray and other intellectuals of Bengal was against this bill, and they joined movement against partition bill on 1905, right? And Kobi Guru arranged Rakhi Bandhan Utsav and no cooking for all. Why I am telling about 1905? Because the next year, 1906, National Council of Education (NC) Bengal was developed, right? And you can see this is the Bengal Technical Institute. And the first principal was
Arvind Ghosh.
Rishi Aurobindo, right? And Acharya Populo Chandra Rai was the president of NC Bengal almost 2 decades, and now it is Jadavpur University, right? So see how Jadavpur University is developed. So they are the notable persons, students of Acharya Populo Chandra Rai, right? Nillotan Sarkar, S.S. Bhatnagar, J.C. Ghosh, Asima Chatterjee. Can you recognize him? Him, founder of modern biochemistry in India. Any guess? Any guess? বিখ্যাত তো ভিটামিন সি এর বায়োসিনথেসিস আবিষ্কার করেছিল। আমার সামনের সাথে মিল আছে হিন্স, তবে আমার সাথে রিলেশন নেই, হয়তো সুজিলের রিলেশন হয়। বিনেশ চন্দ্র গুহ, রাইট? Why I am telling about Binesh Chandra Guha? Because when he was a undergraduate student at Presidency College, at that time he has participated in non-cooperation movement, right? তারটাকে সারা দিয়েছিল মহাত্মা গান্ধীর ডাকে। Obviously he was imprisoned for 1 month. At that time principal Professor Barrow mentioned to leave the Presidency College, and none of the college was entertained him except কোন কলেজ দেখি কে বলতে পারে? সেন্ট জেভিয়ার।